Everyone living and working in Scotland depends on a highly reliable and high quality water service and the disposal of wastewater to the environment. That's why we want to hear your views of a consultation we're coming forward with to look and see where we go in the next 25 years. We're going to set out some priorities as we see them, but we want to hear from you to see if you agree that that's areas we should be working in. In the first 10 years of its existence, the management and workforce at Scottish Water have produced efficiencies which have kept the bills down and at the same time increased customer service. We are particularly interested in your view of future charges and any further services you would like to see. So we're going to ask you to contribute to this by looking at our proposals and then coming forward and speaking to us about them, giving your views and help us to formulate just exactly what we should concentrate on and our future plans for a service to you in Scotland, the very best water service and wastewater service that you deserve.
To plan for the future Scottish Water, we need to understand the opportunities and challenges that will face water services in Scotland. And we really want our customers to tell us that we're talking about the right ones. So climate change will affect water quality as well as water availability and increased rainfall. At the same time, we've got estimated population growth, 10% more people by 2035 and 21% more households. Scottish Water need to be sure that we can meet the demands of these changes. We also need to comply with the legislation and the standards expected of us by our regulators and also government and our customers. The Scottish Government is also looking to use Scotland's water resources to boost economic growth, and we need to be aware of the challenges and opportunities of the hydronation. Developments in science and technology can help our understanding of these challenges and also can have a positive impact on the delivery of water services in Scotland. To plan for the future, Scottish Water need to understand the opportunities and challenges facing water services in Scotland.
Scottish Water customers are now receiving the highest ever quality of drinking water, but we believe we can do even more to improve quality and to supply water wherever and whenever it's needed. We want to hear whether you'd like us to make further improvements to the taste and look of your water. There are a number of things we could do, like investing in more new water treatment works and more new pipes. We also want to hear whether you'd like us to take further steps to ensure that customers, no matter where they are in Scotland, will receive a safe and continuous supply of water. We will work to reduce the water leaks in our pipes and will encourage customers to always use water wisely. We could also create new connections between water sources and communities to ensure that we can meet new demand and to provide a continuous supply of water. With this approach, Scottish Water believes it can deliver continuous high quality water long into the future.
Scottish Water's environmental performance has improved dramatically over the last decade, but we've still got an awful lot to do to protect and enhance the environment and indeed to meet our regulatory requirements, whilst at the same time further reducing flooding and pollution from our sewers. What I want to know is if the public think we should be doing more to protect and enhance our environment. We've had one of the wettest summers in Scotland in recorded history, and so this impact of climate change is meaning that we're having to deal and cater for more water and surface water coming into our sewers and networks. And I really want to work with the public. I want to seek their views to see how we could actually deal more sustainably with that water coming off of our roofs, from car parks and into our roads. The main cause of flooding in the homes comes from bathroom wipes and from disposing of kitchen oils. And really what we want to do is work with customers to see if we can better promote how the homeowner can help reduce the impact on our sewers by disposing of those items in a more sustainable and environmentally friendly way. We will obviously do our part because we are going to be looking to ensure that we reduce the leaks coming from our water networks. We'll be reducing our emissions, our carbon emissions. We'll be reusing and recycling our water, and also we'll be maintaining our wastewater treatment plants to reduce pollution and flooding events. I absolutely believe that by seeking customers' views and working together, Scottish Water can act to enhance and protect Scotland's beautiful environment.
By providing high-quality water supplies at an affordable price, Scottish Water protects the health of communities all over Scotland. We also play a vital role in protecting Scotland's water environment, keeping that environment clean and healthy. And the water environment is crucial to the Scottish economy. It's the feedstock for Scottish industry, and it's vital to tourism and leisure activities. We've invested over £5 billion in the last 10 years to drive continuous improvement in standards through the transformation of Scotland's water infrastructure. And that investment has provided capacity in our systems for communities across Scotland to grow. And it's supported and continues to support thousands of jobs in the Scottish engineering and construction sector. And we want to build on that. In the years ahead, we know that we'll have to meet new demands on our services. One of our top priorities is to ensure that we always deliver a positive experience for our customers, building value and trust in the service that we provide. An important part of that will be to continue improving our communications with customers, including listening and really seeking to understand customers' priorities in what they expect of Scottish Water. We plan to keep costs low by finding new technologies and new ways of working that will make our activities even more efficient. We want to play our part in helping communities across Scotland grow and prosper. And a very important aspect of that will be the development of talent and skills across Scotland. We will continue to promote modern apprenticeships within Scottish Water, and we'll continue our graduate development programme. And all of that's designed to ensure that we have a sustainable business and Scotland has a sustainable water industry.
In 2012-13, Scottish Water customers are currently enjoying the lowest average household charges in Great Britain. Most of our budget, what you pay in your charges, goes towards maintaining current service standards. Around 4% is used to improve services, such as reducing flooding from sewers, reducing interruptions to supply, encouraging water efficiency and reducing costs. We want to hear your views on future water charges and the service improvements you receive in return. We propose that Scottish Water's charges should rise in line with inflation to allow us to improve services. We expect to see the number of Scottish Water customers increase, which could keep the cost stable for everyone.
So you've heard the thoughts of Scottish Water and its future. Now's the time to have your say. Your views will help the strategic projections and business plans for the next 25 years. We look forward to hearing from you.